Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys, so happy to have you here with us again today.
Today's video is fun and a little tricky too. 10 English words that a lot of people say wrong, even after years of studying.
Don't worry, we're gonna make this easy. Simple words, simple explanations, and lots of practice.
Welcome back everyone. I'm David.
And I'm Emma, and by the end of this video, you'll say these 10 words correctly with real confidence.
Let's start with word number 1. Comfortable.
A lot of learners say every letter, comfortable, but native speakers say it shorter, comfortable. 3 parts, not 4.
Say it with me, slowly. Comf. Her. Bowl. Now together. Comfortable.
Try it in a sentence. This chair is comfortable. Say that with me.
This chair is comfortable. Great job.
Here's a small memory tip for this word. Think of the word comfort, which you probably already know, and just add a small turble sound at the end. That makes it much easier to remember.
Word number 2. Vegetable.
This one's similar. Learners often say veg-eatable, all 4 parts. But native speakers say vegetable, shorter, smoother.
Let's break it down. Veg. Bull. Together now. Vegetable.
In a sentence, I eat vegetables every day. Try that with me.
I eat vegetables every day. Nice and easy.
A helpful memory tip here too, think of the word vegetarian, which sounds a little similar at the start, veg, and that can help you remember the correct sound.
Word number 3. Wednesday.
This word looks confusing because of the letters, but the sound is actually simple. We don't say the first D. Wednesday becomes Wednesday.
Let's practice. Wens. Day. Together. Wednesday.
In a sentence, I have class on Wednesday. Try it with me.
I have class on Wednesday. See? Much easier than it looks written down.
A fun way to remember this, think of it as 2 words joined together, Wens plus day, and just forget about that silent D completely when you speak.
Word number 4. Island.
This word has a silent S. We don't hear it at all. I land, not Iceland.
Let's practice. I. Land. Together. Island.
In a sentence, I want to visit an island. Try it.
I want to visit an island. Perfect.
Memory tip here, just think I plus land, like your eye is looking at land in the ocean. That little picture in your head can help the sound stick.
Word number 5. Clothes.
This one's tricky because of the th and s together. A lot of learners say every sound clearly, clothes, but native speakers often blend it into something closer to clothes.
Let's practice. Clothes. Just one smooth sound. Try it.
Clothes. In a sentence, I need to buy new clothes. Try it with me.
I need to buy new clothes. Great.
Word number 6, iron.
This word looks like it should sound like iron, but it doesn't. We say iron. The O almost disappears.
Let's practice. I, earn. Together, iron.
In a sentence, I need to iron my shirt. Try it.
I need to iron my shirt. Perfect. Well done.
A simple memory tip for this one. Just remember I plus earn like 2 small pieces and skip the on sound you might expect from the spelling.
Word number 7, recipe.
A lot of learners pronounce the last part like pipe, recipe, but it's actually softer, recipe.
Let's practice. P. Together, recipe.
In a sentence, this is my favorite recipe. Try it with me.
This is my favorite recipe. Nice job. Word number 8, salmon.
This word has a silent L. A lot of learners say salmon, but native speakers say salmon.
Let's practice. Together, salmon.
In a sentence, I love eating salmon. Try it.
I love eating salmon. Excellent.
Memory tip. Think of a person's name, Sam, plus a small un sound at the end. Simple picture, easy to remember.
Word number 9, world.
This one's small but tricky. Some learners add an extra sound between were and erled, but it's just one smooth sound, world.
Let's practice world. One smooth word. Try it with me.
World. In a sentence, I want to travel around the world. Try it.
I want to travel around the world. Great job.
Memory tip. Say it fast, like one quick beat, not two separate parts. That quick single beat is exactly the native sound.
Word number 10, our last one, police.
A lot of learners put the stress on the first part, police, but native speakers stress the second part, police.
Let's practice. Po-lice, together with stress on the second part, police.
In a sentence, I called the police. Try it with me.
I called the police. Wonderful.
Memory tip. Think of the word release, which rhymes with the second part of police. That rhyme can really help the stress feel natural.
Let's do a fun, fast round now. I'll say a word and you say it with me, out loud, quickly.
Ready? Comfortable.
Vegetable.
Wednesday.
Island.
Clothes.
Iron.
Recipe.
Salmon.
World.
Police.
Great job. 10 words all in a row. That's real practice.
We actually have 3 bonus words too, because you all did so well. Let's add a little more practice.
Bonus word 1. Though. A lot of learners try to say every letter, but it's actually very short. Though, almost like the word go, but with a TH sound.
Let's practice. So, in a sentence, I like tea, so I prefer coffee. Try it with me.
I like tea, though I prefer coffee. Very nice.
Bonus word 2. Focus. Some learners put the stress in the wrong place, but it's simple. Fo-cuss. Stress on the first part.
Let's practice focus. In a sentence, I need to focus on my work. Try it.
I need to focus on my work. Great job.
Bonus word 3. Hour. This word has a silent H. We say our, exactly like the word for belonging to us.
Let's practice. Hour. In a sentence, I'll be there in 1 hour. Try it with me.
I'll be there in 1 hour. Wonderful. 13 words total now, all practiced today.
Let's add 2 more bonus words too, because these 2 come up so often in daily conversation.
Bonus word 4. Wednesday's cousin, February. A lot of learners say every letter here too, February, but native speakers often skip a sound saying February.
Let's practice. Feb-you-ary. Together, February. In a sentence, my birthday is in February. Try it with me.
My birthday is in February. Very nice.
Bonus word 5. Often. Some learners pronounce the T clearly, off-10, but a lot of native speakers say often with a silent T.
Let's practice off, N. Together, often. In a sentence, I often drink tea in the morning. Try it.
I often drink tea in the morning. Wonderful. 15 words total, all practiced today.
Let's talk about something called minimal pairs because this is a really helpful idea for pronunciation practice.
A minimal pair is 2 words that sound almost the same except for one small sound. Practicing these helps your ear and your mouth notice small, important differences.
For example, ship and sheep. Same word almost, but a different vowel sound completely changes the meaning.
Or live, meaning to be alive, and leave, meaning to go away. Very similar sounds, very different meanings.
Practicing pairs like this, saying them one after another, ship, sheep, ship, sheep, trains your ear to hear small differences and trains your mouth to make them correctly too.
You can find lists of minimal pairs online, and practicing just a few pairs each week is a wonderful addition to the word list we learned today.
Let's talk about why English pronunciation is often confusing, because I think understanding this helps a lot.
English spelling and English sound don't always match. A letter you see doesn't always mean you hear that exact sound. This confuses learners a lot, and it's completely normal to feel confused by this.
There's actually a historical reason for this too. English borrowed words from many different languages over hundreds of years. French, Latin, German, and many more, and each language brought its own spelling patterns with it.
So English spelling is really a mix of many different systems, all combined together, which is exactly why the rules feel inconsistent sometimes. It's not you, it's genuinely a messy, mixed language.
Knowing this history can actually feel a little comforting because it shows the confusion isn't a personal failure. It's simply how the language developed naturally over a very long time.
The best way to learn correct pronunciation isn't just reading words, it's listening to native speakers and repeating out loud many times, exactly like we just practiced together.
Your mouth needs practice too, not just your brain. Saying words out loud again and again, slowly at first, helps your mouth learn the correct movement.
Let's talk about a helpful technique too. Recording your own voice and comparing it to a native speaker saying the same word.
This is such a useful trick. Say the word, record it on your phone, then listen to yourself. It feels a little strange at first, but it really helps you notice the small differences.
Then find a video or app where a native speaker says the exact same word and listen carefully, comparing the two sounds side by side.
You don't need to be perfect right away. Just notice small differences, try again, and slowly, over time, your pronunciation gets closer and closer to the native sound.
Another helpful tip, practice in front of a mirror. Watching your own mouth move while you say a word helps you understand exactly how your mouth should move for that specific sound.
This feels funny at first. A lot of people feel shy doing this, but it's genuinely one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation, especially for tricky sounds like the ones we practiced today.
Let's talk about a simple daily practice method, something easy you can start today.
Pick 3 new words each day. Find them in a video, a song, or a conversation. Say each word out loud, slowly, 5 times, then use it in one simple sentence.
This small, simple habit, just a few minutes a day, builds real, lasting pronunciation improvement over time.
Let's do a small quiz now, just for fun, to test what we learned today. I'll describe a word and you try to remember how to say it.
Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead.
This word has a silent S and means a piece of land surrounded by water.
Island, island.
Perfect. Next one. This word has a silent L and it's a type of fish.
Salmon, salmon.
Excellent. One more. This word means not hard to use, and we say it in only 3 parts, not 4.
Comfortable, comfortable.
Great job! You really remembered today's lesson well. That's exactly how real learning works. Small quizzes like this help the words stick in your memory.
Let's also talk about something important. Don't feel bad about mistakes. Every single native speaker made pronunciation mistakes when they were young too, learning their own language.
Mistakes are a normal, healthy part of learning. The people who improve fastest are the people who keep speaking out loud, even with mistakes, not the people who stay silent out of fear.
I remember when I was learning my second language, I said a completely wrong word by accident in front of a big group of people, and everyone laughed a little.
What happened after that?
At first, I felt embarrassed, but then I just laughed too, and someone kindly told me the correct word. And you know what? I never forgot that word again, because the mistake actually helped me remember it better.
That's such a good point. Sometimes a mistake followed by a correction teaches you more than reading a word quietly in a book ever could.
Exactly. So don't be afraid of saying these 10 words wrong sometimes while you're practicing. Every mistake is actually a small step towards saying it perfectly.
Let's do one more full practice round using all 10 words in short, simple sentences one more time for good practice.
This chair is comfortable. I eat vegetables every day.
I have class on Wednesday. I want to visit an island.
I need to buy new clothes. I need to iron my shirt.
This is my favorite recipe. I love eating salmon.
I want to travel around the world. I called the police.
Wonderful. 10 sentences, 10 tricky words, all practiced clearly.
Let's talk about something interesting too. Some of these words actually sound a little different depending on the country, American English or British English.
That's true. For example, schedule. American speakers often say schedule, while British speakers often say schedule. Both are correct, just regional differences.
Or the word vase. Americans often say it like vase, while British speakers often say it like vase. Again, both correct, just regional differences.
Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect accent. What matters most is being clear and understood. Both American and British pronunciations are completely normal and correct.
A good tip here, pick one accent you enjoy listening to American, British, Australian, whichever feels most natural to you for now, and focus mainly on that one for now.
You can always learn other accents later once you feel comfortable. Trying to learn every accent at the same time right at the beginning can actually feel more confusing than helpful.
Let's do a quick recap of everything today because repetition really helps beginners remember.
Comfortable, vegetable, Wednesday, island, clothes, iron, recipe, salmon, world, and police. 10 words that look tricky but sound simple once you know the pattern.
Remember, listen carefully, repeat out loud, and don't worry about small mistakes. Your mouth needs practice, just like any new skill.
Try saying all 10 words out loud right now, one more time before you finish watching this video.
Let us know in the comments which word was the hardest for you and which word you're going to practice this week.
We read every comment, and it genuinely helps us to know exactly which words to cover in future videos too.
And honestly, if this video helps you today, the single most helpful thing you can do for us is hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every follow genuinely helps this channel keep growing.
The more of you who support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing this with a friend who's also learning English, the more resources we have to keep making simple, clear videos like this one made specially for beginners just like you.
So if you found this helpful, take 2 seconds right now, hit subscribe, tap that bell, and share this with someone who needs it too. It genuinely makes a difference, and it's the reason we can keep making these videos for you.
Thank you so much for being here today. We'll see you in the next one.